Nice and full, running the first one hard. Shariful Islam coming back to the non-strikers and he makes it. It is a heartbreaker for the Rajshahi Warriors, but Chattogram Royals under pressure. Last delivery, they win it, and Mohammad Wasim, the field that long off, probably not the quickest in the field. And in the end, Hassan Nawaz, he was cool as a cucumber, remained not out on 35 as the Chattogram Royals win it by 2 wickets. We have a game in hand. 6 deliveries, 10 runs to make. Hassan Nawaz, most importantly for the Chattogram Royals, is at the striker's end. Still having a conversation, who's going to bowl the last over? I think it's going to be SM Merob or Ryan Bell, has to be.
Color expert, George Sepp এবং mild on hands technology সমৃদ্ধ Oryx Crystal Wash, আপনার laundry expert.
Merob has bowled a couple of overs, 2 for 15. Pearl 1 over, went for 6 runs. It's going to be SM Merob, the off spinner against a right-hander. Have shown a lot of maturity so far, Hassan Nawaz, and I think first couple of deliveries is going to be very, very crucial for the outcome of this game. Remember, big hit towards the leg side now, towards the grandstand. 2 precious dot deliveries in the last over, the finish off. Confirmation, 10 of 6 for Chattogram Royals.
Well, it's turning out to be a cliffhanger, hasn't it been? What a match we've seen so far. 128 is what Rajshahi Warriors managed to score. At that stage, one would have thought that it would have been an easy cruise for Chattogram. They still need 10 in the last over, with only 2 wickets in hand. Who's it going to be? Is it going to be Chattogram or Rajshahi? Here we go, the last over from Merob.
Good Yorker, running the first one out. Will Shariful Islam come back? He's coming back. Good throw and a good dive as well. The fielder, who's the bowler himself, had the ball in his hand before he took the bails off. And the umpire goes upstairs.
TV umpire director, we have an umpire review for run out. The bowler scene, show me side and angle, please. Ball is not his hand. I made my decision. My decision is biggest.
Good commitment shown by Shariful Islam with that dive. And in the end, the fielder drops the ball, and it matters the most. In the slot. Is it in the gap? Very well fielded. Half volley just in front of him, and he didn't know, had no idea where it was. But an excellent piece of fielding by Akbar Ali. He's a wicket keeper by trade, Akbar Ali. I thought he saved a couple of runs there.
There was an opportunity for a catch and also an opportunity for a boundary. It just fell short. But thankfully, his body was behind the ball. That's why it didn't go across to the boundary ropes. So 2 more.
Full toss, straight down the ground. Long off in place, puts it out. He thought it's almost, and becomes a boundary. That's the risk you take bowling an off spinner in the death overs against a settled batter. But that was a juicy full toss, easily put away by Hassan Nawaz.
Yeah, they've got to get the fielders in now. 8 in the first 3 deliveries. That is a very good shot. You've got to pick up the gap. And none better than hitting down the ground. And it goes for a boundary. Look at those reactions from the dugout from Chattogram.
A nail-biting finish. 2 runs of 3 deliveries needed. Oh, going for a big one. They had to be put away. 2 in 2. Super is on. Tushar Imran, the head coach. He cannot believe he's been watching.
Well, Rajshahi Warriors have already been involved in a super over earlier on. Can they make another super over here? Oh, inside edge onto the boot, probably. 2 in 2.
Toe end of the bat. The slowness of the pitch in this play. Hassan Nawaz thought he's in the game with a short delivery, but brave couple of deliveries by Merob, slowing it down and foxing the batter.
Would you believe it? 8 in the first 3 deliveries, and nothing in the next two. He's missed it. There will be few changes. Last delivery to be bowled. 2 runs to win, 1 to tie.
Well. It is certainly nerve-wracking for both the sides. S.M. Merob, I thought he was clearly brave in the last 2 deliveries, slowing it down. The natural instincts, especially for an off-spinner against a right-hander, a big hitter, is to go full, quick. But he was quite brave, slowing it down. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, last delivery, 2 runs to be made.
They've kept everybody on the edge of their seats here. Even the players in the dugout have stood up. They're sensing that something's going to happen. Is it going to be Chattogram? Is it going to be Rajshahi? No one knows. They've taken a little bit time. Having a chat with Mushfiqur Rahim.
Maybe just breaking the rhythm, breaking the momentum what S.M. Merob had with so much time being taken to deal with the last ball, and giving the batsman ample time to rethink, recharge and re-strategize. Right, 1 run, they're going for a super over. 2 runs, Chattogram Royals win. What is it going to be? Here comes S.M. Merob against Hassan Nawaz. Nice and full, running the first one hard. Shariful Islam coming back to the non-strikers and he makes it. It is a heartbreaker for the Rajshahi Warriors. But Chattogram Royals under pressure. Last delivery, they win it. And Mohammad Wasim, the field that long off, probably not the quickest in the field. And in the end, Hassan Nawaz, he was cool as a cucumber, remained not out on 35 as the Chattogram Royals win it by 2 wickets.
Shariful Islam has not scored a single run, but don't take anything away from him the way he has run in between the wickets. Twice he's come back for the second, and twice he has survived. The last delivery, he had to come back very, very strongly to make sure he gets inside the crease before the ball hits the stump. But it was Mohammad Wasim, the throw was wide, and he managed to come in. And by doing so, Chattogram go on to win by 2 wickets.
A good point, Arthur. Shariful Islam's contribution with all the sprints. Initially, he put a dive in, and he made sure he got the sprinting boots on. And in the end, Chattogram Royals, they come home, winning it by 2 wickets, and got to give it to Hassan Nawaz for a 23-year-old. Showed lots of maturity in chasing down a score under pressure against a quality side like Rajshahi Warriors.
Yeah, they nearly made a mess out of it, didn't they? With that win, they've now go at the top of the table, Chattogram. He bowled beautifully, didn't he, Shariful Islam? 2 for 20 in 4 overs. But the man of the moment, Hassan Nawaz, for surely to take his team home.
You certainly feel for the Rajshahi Warriors. They never gave up. 128 when they scored. Most of the viewers as well as the cricket pundits would have thought Chattogram Royals would have cruised along. Not to be. Led by Binder Fernando, Mondal, Merob, Tanzim, Lamichhane, all did really well. In the end, a great game of cricket going in favour of the Chattogram Royals, who won by 2 wickets. And Naeem, Mahmudul, Shadman all missed out. Rossington's got a 17, got a hit on his hand, should be okay.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.